What's up everybody, Matt Magna here with 𝙗𝙚𝙣𝙘𝙀 Cars, and today I'm going to be putting this Customtaylor33 reflective rim tape on my Honda Magna. So you might be asking, Matt, why would I put this on my bike? Well, one reason is safety. This is a very reflective tape, so at nighttime cars' headlights will reflect off this surface and you know it's going to be spinning on your wheel. They should be able to see you much easier, reducing your chances of getting run over. And of course the side benefit is that it's going to look pretty cool, I think. So let's find out. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to put this on your motorcycle rims. But the first thing we have to do is use this isopropyl rubbing alcohol to really clean the surface as good as we can, let it dry a little bit, and then we're going to put this rim tape on there and let's see how it goes. Hey guys, I'm down on the ground, but I got myself a nice trusty mat to put my knees on so I don't have to be on the concrete. We got our isopropyl rubbing alcohol right here. So let's apply this to the rag and really clean the surface as well as we can. Got a rag here. It's a pretty good rag. Got a bunch of these actually on Amazon for next to nothing. Maybe I'll put the link in the description if you want to get a cheap rag. I'm going to try my best not to get any on the rubber. Just keep it on the metal. Look at that, we're already getting a lot of junk off there. These rims could have used a cleaning anyhow. Fortunately, this bike doesn't have a center stand like my older one did. But I'm getting in there alright. Getting there nice and deep like. So I'm just going to roll the bike a little bit. So we got some new surface here that we can reach. Look how dirty it is. And once it's on, and I think you just got to clean with soapy water. You don't want to use any chemicals that would, you know, ruin the adhesive. On this side I can get at everything just about. This rig's kind of getting dirty. Let's get a new one. It's a nice solid wheel, really cool. Question is, will this beveled edge cause a problem for us? It's not completely flat. Got our rim tape here. Comes with some instructions. 17-inch rims only, blah 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 blah. And these are the strips. Comes on a big sheet of paper like this. We might end up with some extras, and you also have a few other things. Maybe you could put those on your helmet or something, somewhere else on your bike. Get a good start. Okay. I'm sure I'll get better, and so will you as you go. This is my first strip, so I want to set a good precedent with the first strip. Don't want to start out wrong, because then the whole wheel is going to look bad. I'm going up to the edge, but I don't want to overlap the edge. Yeah. That looks pretty good. We got a good start. Right on the edge, but not really any overlap. And the instructions says you can wipe the top of this one with rubbing alcohol so that the second one sticks to it a little easier. Maybe even a little better on the second one. See, it's just a nice clean orange line. It's almost perfect. There's just a tiny bit of gap there, but as long as I keep my line, I'm not too concerned.
Keep the line pretty straight. More consistent. Yeah, that's good.
There we go. You just need one more. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this clean rag, unused, and just kind of apply some pressure, push down on all the spots. So you want it to be, you know, pushed down firmly on there. Pretty seamless. Pretty cool. This wheel right here will be a little easier, less junk in the way. You know, the brake stuff, but We've used about this much so far. Hopefully that's about a fourth. But I'm going to start with this front wheel, so then at least we have some symmetry. In case we run out, we know we have the front wheel done. So we got a little rounded edge there, so we got to make sure we're not going over that edge. We need it to be flat. Well, that one went on pretty good, don't you think? Yeah, this side is turning out really well.
I don't see very well, but I assure you, it's going.
A good rule of thumb is to use your thumbnail for the overlap. That seemed to work for me on this bike. Maybe it'll take me 10 minutes to do a side. So maybe putting these stickers on could take you 40 minutes. Assuming you get faster as you go, maybe you'll average, 30 minutes. But at least give yourself, an hour or two, considering you gotta clean the surface first. Nice and smooth. Push down hard. It's a nice day out. It's probably like 70 degrees, 75. Sunny. Blue skies. Make sure everything is smoothed out. It looks like we're gonna make it with none to spare. But at least we made it. Alright guys, we're just going to do a quick walk around without any light on it, and then with a flashlight, and then I'm going to show you what it's like in the dark. So there we go, that's what it looks like. That's all done. That's number 2. Pretty clean. Yeah, that's number 3. And here's number 4. Alright, we're in the garage with the garage doors open. It's still daytime. This is the medium amount of light. Pretty cool. Starting to get pretty cool. Well, that's reflective. Wow. Alright, now we're going to close the garage door. Goodbye. Goodbye. Let's see what it looks like. Whoa. That's cool. That's really cool. Looks like the wheels are like on fire. It's like Ghost Rider. It's gonna really help you with your visibility at nighttime. For sure. Really good for visibility. Safety. It also looks pretty cool. Imagine like when you're driving along, these are spinning. It's gonna seem like there's flames coming out of them. That's awesome. Now you guys definitely consider picking these up. I probably said it earlier in the video, maybe I'll say it again, but there's a link in my description. You can pick these up for yourself. Also make sure to get some rubbing alcohol, have a few rags handy, and you're good to go. Alright everyone, I just finished putting this reflective rim tape on my Honda Magna there. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to pick one of these up for yourself or any of the other stuff I use, feel free to check out the links in the description. I'm Matt Magna with 𝙗𝙚𝙣𝙠𝙨. We'll see you next time.